اللهم اهدنا فيمن هديت وعافنا فيمن عافيت وتولنا فيمن توليت وبارك.
I washed my turkey thoroughly with clean water. Then I added lemon juice. Lemon juice is very essential. It's used as vitamin C. It's a flavor to meal, especially when you use it for chicken, turkey. So right now I'm going to start by measuring the ingredients. 3 kg of turkey, 1 tablespoon of paprika, 1 tablespoon of thyme, seasoning, salt, white pepper, cumin, then maggi, nicely chopped onions, lemon juice, parsley to garnish, ginger and garlic, nicely chopped onions, thyme, the paprika, oregano, paprika, white pepper, turkey seasoning, maggi, garlic and my ginger, 3 tablespoons of olive oil. So I'm going to garnish with my remaining lemon. I left the turkey for a day so as to let the seasoning to get inside thoroughly. So now I'm going to saute it. I'm going to show you how to saute your turkey, and after that I'm going to give it a deep frying, followed by adding a little. So now I'm going to add my little olive oil to saute the chicken. I added 5 minutes. So this is sauteed, so you just add a little. This is what's called sauteing. You add just little olive oil. Why we are doing this is to allow the ingredient to penetrate well. Turn it to let it brown. I'll turn the other side. It's ready, so I'm going to remove it and put it inside my tray. Go back to this. So it's necessary to still add a little amount of olive oil. The process. Flip it to the other side. So I'm going to remove it, set to remove to the tray. As you can see, it's giving it a golden color. So you repeat this process till the turkey finished. So I'll repeat the process. A deep fry, so I'm adding my oil. I'm going to add the turkey gradually till it's finished. I'll follow this process till the turkey finished. So sit as I complete this process.